Vice President, may plano po ba kayong tumakbo sa pagkapangulo?
Of course.
Sa inyong pagiging Vice Presidente, ano-ano na po ba ang mga nagawa nyo para sa Pilipinas?
So, number one, July 2024, I went to Germany. In December 2024, I went to Denmark. And the third and fourth week of January, I went back to Japan. In February, went back to Japan. On March, I went to Hong Kong. On March, I went to the Netherlands. On May, I went to Qatar and the Netherlands. On June, I went to Vietnam, Cambodia, and Malaysia. On June, I went to Australia. On July, I went to the Netherlands and the Republic of Korea. And very recently, from August to September, I went to Kuwait, the Netherlands, France, and Belgium.
Love you.